Last time on Seatramp, we discovered a few more lovely places on Mallorca. We said bye to our friends and wanted to start the way to Ibiza. Unfortunately, we don't have any wind yet. It is expected in the afternoon. We decide to use the time to anchor in the lonely bay called Beltran. It's really exciting to sail into such a narrow bay, but we know that it will fit. In the afternoon, we finally make our way to Ibiza. We want to meet there with some friends we met at the marina where we bought Seatramp 1.5 years ago.
Ich sag mal so, nachdem die jetzt schon extra für uns hierher gefahren sind und Angie heute Geburtstag hat, können wir ja mal wenigstens die Flasche Wein vorbeibringen. Und wir haben immer noch genug Zeit, um Sander abzuholen. Jedenfalls fahren wir jetzt rüber zu den Pilgrims, beziehungsweise das Boot heißt Pilgrim. Freunde von uns, die wir in St. Karls getroffen haben oder kennengelernt haben, Woody und Angie. Und Angie hat heute Geburtstag, wie wir gestern Abend leider erst erfahren haben. Naja, jetzt haben wir hier so eine kleine Schüssel Magdalenas mit einem Kerzchen und eine Flasche Wein besorgt. Ja, vorne zu denen rüber.
Improvisation ist alles. Kleinen Kickstarter demnächst. Kicklandung. Sieht wieder aus. The birthday children!
Kid.
We have a cake for you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, liebe Angie! Happy birthday to you! Willst du mal weiter? Das ist einmal...
Oh God! Thank you. Thank you.
We tried to get some cake, but it was not possible. I went to 3 supermarkets. There was even a bakery where I went to. They only had like small stuff like croissants and cinema. So let's try it. Better than nothing. At least there's a and one.
Shall we have coffee and cake for breakfast?
Is that milk?
Black coffee and cake.
After a coffee, it's time for us to leave. Bye!
War echt nett, ihn wieder getroffen zu haben. Die einen Gäste gehen, die nächsten Gäste kommen. Sunderland wann? Ja, ungefähr in 5 Stunden. 30 Meilen haben wir vor uns. 5 Stunden kommen.
Nochmal fürs Protokoll, wer ist er?
Sander?
Yes.
Sander ist der Sohn von Marc und Mareike.
Von den Greaties?
Von den Greaties.
Cool, haben wir denn ihre Crew an Bord?
Quasi ausgespannt. Hey, aber wir haben ihn nicht dafür bezahlt, ja? Also, er kommt ganz freiwillig. Bin mal gespannt, ob die beiden nicht auch dabei sind, also nach dem Motto heimlich hier. Und wäre okay, wäre doch cool, Platz haben wir. Bin gespannt.
used it. Shall I give it on the next 3 days? Right. Actually, the heaviest part is your stuff. Yeah, chocolate and cheese.
Wow!
Hey darling, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Yeah?
And you?
Could be better.
Well, long trousers. Oh, you have a really bad life.
Yeah, I mean, I'm here right now, so it's horrible. I mean,
Yeah.
I feel so bad.
Guy.
Yeah.
Poor guy,
I wish I was somewhere else, you know.
Yeah, I understand that.
Yeah.
Like, at work.
So, first things first. We're gonna get
A beer. Or what did you
yes, and changing into shorts.
Yes, that's smart. Well, actually,
Really, she doesn't know. And when he became like 85 or something, he would actually fall down while pretending to fall down. So he became called the three stars. It doesn't say anchor place or nothing.
Yeah, that's a good time. Sander's only there for a few days, but of course he has his Nintendo with him and will play a few rounds of Mario Kart.
Why are you on the wrong side of the bed then?
Well, because I rolled there.
noch eine. Das sind schon ordentliche Wellen heute.
Verwundert. once again we played Kniffel on our boat, and the first bet was to get an egg from our neighbors.
Now we can play the next round about bacon. Get the bacon for breakfast.
Yeah, that's part of the deal. My trophy.
Perfect. Oh. He made it.
Was it hard?
No, man. I'm drunk, so it's all okay.
Mareike, you know when we play Kniffel or Yahtzee that the rules are hard, yeah? And if you lose, you have to do it whatever was in the bet. This time, it's going to be your son who has to do a push-up with 2 claps. I'm really curious whether he's going to make that. I failed, as you can see here. Can you see it? It hurts. So, now it's on him. I hope he's insured. Next time it will be naked things, because then it's you who loses. Usually.
Give me a practice run for push-ups, okay?
Are you serious?
Yeah, give me a moment.
But you're already then losing your stamina.
Okay. Yeah? Ready?
Ready when you are. Not too
it
bad.
didn't count, did it?
Yeah, it did count. That was 1 clap. Close.
Why can he do it and you not?
Well, look at him. He's in the blossom of his youth. Yeah, come on. I'm sailing for too long. Yeah, so this is no muscles. It's just beer.
Oh, now you have to do the upside down push-up then.
No, I didn't lose.
No,
I'm fine.
So,
you're basically bashing him right now. So,
based on what?
yeah. I mean, can you do any better?
Sure.
Okay.
I can, but I didn't lose.
No,
I don't
yeah,
have to
but
do it.
Show it then.
Now I remember why I wear high heels. Great way to open a bottle of beer. We have a funny last evening with Sander. On one day, we visit the Pirate Market Festival in town.
Ich stehe mal wieder vor einem Baumarkt und warte auf den Mario. Hier eine Ferreteria auf Ibiza. Ja, diesmal hatte ich keine Lust mit reinzukommen. Ich habe gedacht, der kauft sowieso wieder so viele Sachen, die er für nötig hält. Und um die Zeit ein bisschen zu überbrücken, gibt heute mal einen leckeren Sangria. Cheers!
The evening ends with a salsa evening at the beach promenade. See us next time, when we have a really nice time on the island Formentera and have empty water tanks for the first time.